So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here. This meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin in this year mega bullion, and this meme coin is already listed on many major central exchanges but still not on Binance Coinbase, but Binance Coinbase listing are also possible here. I will share you all further details here, so you have to just watch the complete video here. And if you wanna buy newly launched meme coins, then I'll provide you Get.io exchange link in description where you can buy newly launched meme coin, and this new $1 million reward are still ongoing where you can sign up and you can participate in $1 million worth new year users reward for 2025. So you can also check out Get.io exchange. Or friends, you can join MEX exchange also, because mostly I'm sharing meme coins with you on this channel, and I read many comments that where we have to buy the meme coins. So these both central exchanges, Gadget.io and MEX exchange, are listing newly launched meme coins. So you can join both. I already provide you both exchanges links in description, so you can join both. So friends, comedian Snap ban is symbol 0.04 $1 current price pump by almost 56% here. Okay, because right now in crypto market there are many meme coins with this same name and with this same symbol. If I'm searching banana, you can find many meme coins. You can see friends with same name and mostly with same picture also, with same profile also, but his name is comedian, not banana. His name is comedian. That meme coin I'm sharing with you. You can see friends, name is comedian and ban is symbol. And you can see friends, last 30 dumped by almost 30%, last 14 days dumped by 40%, but in last 24 hour massive recovery in this meme coin. Current market $41 million. This is good, $88 million trading volume. So this is awesome trading volume. Last 24 hours amazing. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. And other Solana ecosystem meme coin, friends, like see, we are still 90%, almost 90% down than its all-time high. They were 3 months ago, but it's still 344% up than its all-time low. So performance from this meme coin is looking good, because recently we saw a massive dump in crypto market, but somehow still is good. And no doubt all the meme coins right now are mostly 80 to 90% down than they also all-time highs. So that is why this meme coin is also almost 90% down than its all-time high. So this, I think, doesn't matter. I'll listed in Get.io, as I will show you: MEXC, Bitget, Bybit, KuCoin, Radium, CoinW, HTX, DigiPhoenix, BingX. So mostly central exchanges have list this coin, but still there's no any tier 1 central exchange listing for this coin. But soon vacancy is listing on major central exchanges also, and many other banana theme meme coins are not listed on major central exchanges, but this comedian band coin is listed on central exchanges. More than 20,000 holders for this meme coin. Okay, recently we saw a massive dump in number of holders, but right now again number of holders are increasing here. New holders coming in this meme coin. So that's why its price is pumping here. Gate.io exchange has highest supply, that is 23%. Okay, second wallet has 15% of supply. Bybit, a central exchange, has 5.4% of supply. Bybit exchange is still not list this coin, I think, because it's not available on CoinGecko yet, but maybe Bybit can list soon. Bitgate, number fifth wallet, holding 4.8% of supply. So friends, you can see Radium, Solana Dex holding 2.8% supply. So this is good. There's supply holding on central exchanges. Okay, not the wells. So this is good, friends. And now my price prediction about comedian Bandcoin is that Asia's current market cap is just $41 million, and still there's no Binance, Coinbase, Kraken listing for this meme coin. But I think definitely these all central exchanges may list this coin because of its massive hype. Market cap is good. Trading volume last 24 hours $88 million. This is good. But friends, still I'm not holding definitely this meme coin. But maybe I can add some band coin soon in my portfolio, because this is good meme coin, and trading volume is good. Ali listed on more than 10 to 15 central exchanges, and many more central exchanges will come soon for this coin. So I think this meme coin has also potential to be the next maybe $1 to $3 billion market cap meme coin. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.